Next one up. Over there, push it tight to the bulkhead. All right, I got it, let's move. All right, easy now. Rotate slightly to the left and stop. Just a gentle adjustment to the right.
Yes, sir. Looks good.
Looks good from here. The specifications are precise.
Bring it over slowly, keep it level.
Okay, steady now.
Watch the edge. Perfect, easy now. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Steady now, watch the wall. Bring it down slowly.
make sure it locks in. That herringbone needs to be perfect.
Welcome aboard. It's wonderful to finally meet you in person.
The design here is absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
I agree. I've never seen anything quite like this.
The finest restaurant at sea.
Absolutely stunning.
A dolphin! Look, look!
Oh wow, look at him swim!
He's so big!